comparing two popular folding e-bikes to help you decide which might be the right fit for you. On one side, a premium and feature-rich Aventon Sinch 2.5, and on the other, an incredibly powerful and value-packed Ride1Up Portola. Of course, the Aventon with a 500-watt motor and the Portola with that more powerful, faster 750-watt motor. Now, while the $1,800 price tag on the Aventon might feel steep compared to the Portola's $1,100 price tag, I believe that $700 difference represents a significant value proposition, but it does depend on the angle that you're coming at it from. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, if you get a Ride1Up Portola at $1,100 and nothing ever goes wrong, you've got a great bike, and I think that this wins hands down. It's got the more powerful, faster motor. It's just a great bike. It has nice components all the way around. But if you have issues with it, where are you going to take it to get it fixed or repaired or even maintained? It's a hassle to disassemble it, put it back in the box, and mail it back to San Diego. You just don't have the type of store support that the Aventon offers. Now, I've had a chance to ride both of these superb folding e-bikes, and I'd be happy with either one. While I personally prefer the Portola's 750-watt motor, it went up and down the hills in San Diego like easily. The Aventon also is a great little bike, and although it ships as a Class 2, you can easily unlock it to a Class 3 inside of the Aventon app. But the Aventon's advantage to me, the warranty and the support and the stores all across the country. They have a robust nationwide dealer network. You can typically take your Aventon e-bike to a local shop in so many different places to get service or repairs or parts without any hassle. That Ride1Up, again, as a direct-to-consumer, it's a great brand if you don't have problems. But if you need to get repairs or service or find a shop, big problem, especially if you live in a more rural area. I got a chance to ride both of them, one of them in San Diego at the Ride1Up showroom, and one of them right here in Northern Virginia, where I live. Ultimately, my goal is to help you make a little bit better informed decision before you choose either one. As for me, I think they're both terrific. I genuinely would like either one. But for my money, I always lean toward the one, all things else being equal, the one with the better warranty support and access to repair. And in this case, that's the Aventon.